Hello everyone, this is JD from Benchmark, and today I'm going to show you how to zoom in MicroSurvey CAD. So here we are on the main viewport. The easiest way to zoom in and out is to simply use the mouse wheel, up to go in and down to go out. So here you can see me do just that, and notice that the page zooms in to exactly where I put my cursor. So this allows for a lot of maneuverability. I can zoom into this building or this description wherever I put my cursor. If you don't have a mouse, there's another way to zoom. Go up here to the toolbar and click View. Over here on the left, you'll see Real-Time Zoom. Click it, and now if you click and drag the main viewport, it zooms in on the exact same spot, no matter where I click. Lastly, if you want to see your entire drawing at once, there's a really powerful tool. If we go back up to the Real-Time Zoom, but instead click this little arrow below it, you can see many zooming options. Move down and click View Max. This will fit your drawing to the window, returning to the exact same position no matter where you start from. And that's about it. Please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps us out. And if you have any questions about this video or about any others on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit our website at bench-mark.ca.